Remember the sweet sound of the Zinger Zapper? Today we explore the history and delicious details of Dolly Madison's iconic snack cake. In the mid to late 20th century, Dolly Madison was a powerhouse brand, producing some of America's most beloved treats, including these rectangular snack cakes known as Zingers. These cakes were defined by their tender texture and creamy filling, available in three distinct flavors: devil's food chocolate, vanilla, and a fruity raspberry option. The topping varied by flavor. You could get a rich icing for the chocolate cake or a tropical coconut cover for the other varieties, adding to their unique taste. Marketing was central to their success, featuring memorable TV spots in the 70s and 80s with famous characters like Snoopy's alter ego, the Zinger Zapper. These commercials created a nostalgic bond with viewers, making the cakes a cultural staple that defined childhood snacking for generations across the country. Even years after Dolly Madison's brand evolution, the Zinger's legacy remains strong as a rich, chocolate-filled treat that continues to evoke deep nostalgia. We've uncovered the sweet story behind Dolly Madison Zingers. Which flavor brings back your best memories? Tell us in the comments below.